Welcome to Food Fight Showdown. On today's episode, we're back at Dairy Queen. They've got new blizzards out for the fall. They've got caramel apple and pumpkin. Which one's better? Let's find out. Cue the intro.
Food Fight Showdown.
Thank you so much for being my friends.
Let's rock.
Before we try these blizzards, I'd like to tell you a little bit about my rating system. I like to rate on a scale from 0 to 100, with 0 being
Tastes terrible, sir.
and 100 being
Tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama. Don't it, Willie? Yeah, boy. Hey, mama. What the hell you want with?
Okay, it's what these blizzards look like. This is the pumpkin. And this is the caramel apple. Okay, let's try these blizzards. Let's try the caramel apple one first. It's starting to make a mess. Let's give it a try. Interesting flavor. Rating on the caramel apple. It's good, but it's not great. It seems a little strange having fruit in a blizzard. I don't know. I would probably give it I'm gonna go 61. It's good, but I don't think I'd ever buy that one again. Let's hope the pumpkin one's better. Pumpkin one's got an interesting look. It's orange and it looks like they've got like maybe some nutmeg sprinkled on top. Let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah. It's got little pieces of pumpkin pie crust and it's got pumpkin flavor. That's a good one. Rating on the pumpkin pie, I'm gonna give it, I'm gonna go even 80. I like this one and I'd probably buy it again. Well, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. We'll see you on the next video.
Food Fight Showdown.